Ho, 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 folks, it's Tuesday. Tuesday. I hope everybody's off to a roaring start. Folks, so much going on, so much excitement building. What is stopping you from opening that door? Are you knocking on it or are you opening the door? There's a big difference. And some people will continue to knock on that door. They will never open the door. Are you going to be that person? Because I want you to open the door and see what's on the other side. Folks, it's incredible. Few things can help an individual more than to place responsibility on them, on him or her, and to let him or her know that you trust them. Booker T. Washington. Folks, run into a veteran, say thank you for your service, thank you for your sacrifice. See a senior, say hello, open the door, carry a bag, ask them how they're doing, give them a smile. Folks, Trustworthy Tuesday. What an awesome statement that is. Do you trust yourself to knock on that door and open that door and see what is on the other side? Life happens, excitement happens. New ideas explode when you open doors and create the back end of a great new idea, folks. But you never know until you try. And trying means opening that door, folks. So if you're in a quandrum and you're knocking on a door and you don't know whether to open it up, look at your own history. Do you like where you are? Do you like where you've been? Or do you want to try something new and exciting and adventurous? Only you can decide that. Ho, ho, ho. Santa loves you. Ho, ho.